So a bird ran into our window. Tess decided to save it, and on the way to the wildlife refuge, it flew out of my arms and now it's flying around our car.
She cannot survive on its own.
It's coming for me!
No steak survive on its own, Kate.
But it doesn't want...
It's alive, but it needs help.
What do you want us to do? It's alive and needs help, huh?
You think it's alright? He's just sitting there.
I know. Oh, he looks so hurt.
Kate.
I know, he needs our help. No, not that. I will not put him in that again. Let's put him in your art box, Tess. It's okay, your art box. We will document this update later.